Nothing brings a summer gathering to a halt faster than running out of dessert, or serving store-bought ice cream that everyone has already tried 100 times. If you've ever wanted to make fresh, homemade ice cream that's creamy, customizable, and fun to prepare without hours of manual churning, today's product is definitely worth a closer look. Today, we're reviewing the Elite Gourmet 4-quart old-fashioned vintage Appalachian wood bucket electric ice cream maker, a machine designed for families, home cooks, party hosts, and anyone who loves making homemade frozen desserts. Whether you're craving classic vanilla ice cream, rich chocolate, fruity sorbet, frozen yogurt, or even gelato, this machine promises an old-fashioned experience with modern convenience. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is the vintage-inspired design. Instead of looking like another plastic kitchen appliance, this ice cream maker features a handcrafted solid pine wood bucket that gives it a nostalgic charm. It feels like something you'd see at a family picnic or holiday gathering, making it just as much a conversation piece as it is a kitchen appliance. The waterproof plastic liner inside is a practical upgrade because it protects the wooden bucket from leaks while making cleanup much easier than traditional wooden models. Overall, the build feels sturdy, and the combination of classic style with modern materials gives it a unique appeal. One of the biggest advantages is its generous 4-quart capacity. That's enough ice cream to serve a large family, entertain guests at a backyard barbecue, or prepare dessert for birthday parties and holiday celebrations. Instead of making several small batches, you can produce enough frozen treats for everyone in one session, which saves both time and effort. Using the machine is refreshingly simple. The process only takes a few basic steps. You prepare your favorite ice cream mixture, pour it into the canister, surround it with ice and rock salt, lock the motor into place, and switch it on. From there, the electric motor takes over the hard work. Unlike traditional hand-crank ice cream makers that require constant turning, this model churns automatically, allowing you to spend time with family or prepare other food while the ice cream comes together. Performance is impressive for an ice cream maker in this category. The electric paddle continuously churns the mixture into a smooth, creamy consistency while incorporating air at a steady rate. The result is homemade ice cream with a texture that's noticeably richer than many frozen desserts bought from the grocery store. Because you're making everything yourself, you also have complete control over ingredients. Whether you want less sugar, dairy-free recipes, fresh fruit, chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or unique seasonal flavors, the possibilities are nearly endless. Another pleasant surprise is how quietly the machine operates. While you can certainly hear the motor running, it's much quieter than many larger kitchen appliances, making it easy to use during conversations, parties, or family gatherings without becoming distracting. The locking motor design also helps keep everything securely in place during operation, adding an extra level of confidence while it's running. Cleaning is also fairly straightforward. Once the ice cream is finished, the removable canister can be cleaned without much difficulty, while the waterproof liner prevents moisture from damaging the wooden bucket. Like most traditional ice cream makers that use ice and rock salt, there is a little cleanup afterward, but it's a small trade-off for the authentic homemade experience and generous batch size. Overall, the Elite Gourmet 4-quart old-fashioned electric ice cream maker delivers a fun, nostalgic experience while removing the hardest part of traditional ice cream making. It produces generous batches of creamy homemade desserts, operates quietly, and makes entertaining much more enjoyable. If you love creating homemade treats for family and friends, this machine is well worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.